How to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your Bluetooth is not working on Windows. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up your settings, and here you will see your Bluetooth settings. And if it's not working, then what you need to do is go ahead and try to turn it off and turn it on back again, and unpair the device that you are having trouble with and try to pair it again. If that does not work, then what you're gonna have to do is, if you tap on more Bluetooth settings, you can just go ahead and turn these ones off and turn it back again, and then click on OK and apply. And after that, what you're gonna do is click on System on your settings, then head over to Troubleshoot and head over to Other Troubleshooter. And now on the other section, you'll find Bluetooth. You're just going to have to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter, and if there is any problem with it, then the computer will fix itself and your problem should be fixed. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, like the video down below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.